everyone, it's Bailey with KMPL, bringing to you a new craft, a snowman made out of a jar. It's really short and sweet, but makes for a cute decor piece that lights up in the dark. If you'd like the supplies for this project, there are kits available on level 4 in the teen department while supplies last. For this craft, you'll need a jar painted white, a strip of felt, various construction paper accessories for your snowman, googly eyes, and a tea light. You'll also likely want to have handy a pair of scissors and some glue. The first step is to glue on your eyes at the top of the jar. Next, you can put on your nose. For the mouth, you'll have 6 black circles, but you don't have to use all of them. Keep in mind that you can make whatever type of face you want. In my case, I'm going for a smile. Feel free to play around with your design before committing to gluing anything down. Under the mouth, you can add a scarf. Tie the felt around the entirety of the jar, draping it like you would a scarf. If the felt doesn't stay well on its own, place a little glue under the fabric to secure it. Also, you can cut the ends of the scarf to give the appearance of tassels. With the remaining space, use the buttons to make a line down the center of the snowman. Now it's time to add arms to the snowman. The ones in the kit are rather long, so you can bend or cut them to fit your vision. One branch goes on either side of the snowman. They can be tucked under the scarf or glued in place. Finally, place your tea light in the jar to lightly illuminate your creation. Thanks for watching, and if you try this craft at home, feel free to tag us. We'd love to see what you come up with.